Hi, this is David Chen, co-founder of GeoNet. Today I will give you some quick introduction how to buy some gas token using your bank account. For any transactions on chain, a small number of tokens is needed. It is called a gas fee. For example, SOL token is needed when you use Solana, and a POL token is needed when you use Polygon network. Paying gas fee is very important in crypto space. Gas fee is necessary to fight against garbage transactions on chain. On the other hand, it introduces frictions to new users who just want to try crypto payment or transactions. In this video, I will walk you through how to obtain SOL or POL from scratch. Of course, if you have a friend who can send you a small number of tokens, that would be great. Otherwise, you can follow the steps below to start. Open an account in a CEX that supports bank connection. In the USA, Coinbase.com is widely used. It may take a few steps to fully enable your account. Once it's set up, try to establish a connection to your bank. Go to My Assets, click on Cash. Click on the triple dot next to the US dollar and select Deposit. The first time you need to add a bank account. So click on Add a Payment Method. Coinbase will use Plate to connect to your bank. Follow the instructions to add your bank. After you have successfully connected your bank, you can transfer your bank USD into your Coinbase account. The funds should be available immediately. Now you can start to buy crypto tokens. You can use the buy option to buy token, use your USD balance, or convert to buy token, use your USDC balance. Remember, you can freely switch between USD and USDC. In this demo, I will convert my USDC to get some POL tokens. Now I have POL tokens in my Coinbase account. It is not in my crypto wallet yet. The POL can be sent to my actual wallet. Click on the triple dot next to the Polygon token and click on Send. Paste in your wallet address. Now your wallet should have POL token and you have enough gas for on-chain transactions. Thank you for watching. Please stay connected with GeoNet community for more updates. Thank you.
GeoNet. Mind the sky.